Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill blank cells in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, select full table. Go to Data tab, Red tab, Fill tab. Drop down menu, clear. Select only blanks. Okay, and type anything, text, number as your wish. Example, I type to this number 20 or you can type text as you wish. Press Ctrl C or right click on your mouse, copy. Then selected blank cells, right click on your mouse, paste special values only. And again select full table, data tab, remove filter. And since fill multiple blank cells, click select full or multiple, hold Ctrl, right click on your mouse, paste special values only. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.